The first 3 days of the African Aerospace and Defense Expo is dedicated to a trade exhibition. AAD connects suppliers and service providers to a growing marketplace of global investors, government representatives, international defense and security delegations, ministers, chiefs, captains of industry, and buyers. With such a wide spectrum of world-class products and services, let's take a close look at exhibitors on the floor.
We are one of the only companies around the world that does everything from software, hardware, hardware, everything.
Redeployable Camp Systems South Africa is a uniquely positioned company in the military as well as mining industry. To the AAD, we brought an exciting new component, and that's our introduction of field hospital capabilities, both for level 1 as well as level 2 in accordance to the United Nations guidelines. What you are seeing here is only a showcase of the capabilities. Within this, it's not a full-blown field hospital as such, it's just a demonstration of the capabilities, and it varies from a theatre capability to pharmacy, lab, and so forth. So it's actually a mixture of what you will find within the level 1 and the level 2 field hospital type of capability. Typically, your field hospital level 1 is more to the front line, whereas your level 2 field hospital allows for theatre capabilities, dentistries, even maternity wards if so required within the battalion type of environment. We were requested in 2020 at the height of COVID to supply a field hospital for 200 beds into Guinea. We manufactured all of that within 3 weeks, and we deployed it and installed it within 3 weeks after that. A complete turnaround from request to final product in the area of need within 6 weeks. The intention is definitely targeting the African market. You know that within Africa, 50% of the United Nations peacekeeping operations are taking place. That's a huge amount. And there's a huge amount of African contribution, whether it's from South Africa or from Egypt, south to north. There's quite a bit of interest in supplying capabilities into the peacekeeping operation environment.
We provide over than 40,000 customers worldwide with Multiphysics simulation platform to help complex design issues. We've been focusing on North America, the common markets like Europe, Asia, but we do believe that there is a huge potential in Africa, like many other companies, and we believe it's the right time to invest this market. Up to now, we've been focusing mainly on South Africa, but we believe there is a huge potential for growth in the rest of Africa. ANSY's portfolio is quite large today. We cover, once again, multi-physics simulation. So that could be structure, fluids, electromagnetics, and many other areas. I believe the whole portfolio could be used by our African customers. Now, what is going to be key for us is to introduce our product portfolio to different industries. Today, we are most present in the aerospace and defense, but we believe that there's a huge potential for us in energy, automotive industry, and high-tech industrial equipment, and you name it. The goal for us is to introduce the whole portfolio in other and new industries in Africa. The biggest industrial growth will be happening here in Africa. In this part of the world, we see small companies today very promising and becoming bigger actors in the industry in the world. We need to be closer to these customers since the early stages of their life. And I believe that in Africa, we'll be seeing more and more customers using our solutions, starting with the academics. In the universities, today we have many universities which are including ANSYS products in their curricula. And we need to increase that, and I believe that this will be very promising for the future and for the next years.
We want to become an energy provider, energy supplier for South Africa and for the international market. I'm not a normal energy provider, as you see it right now. An energy supplier, RDM, who aims to make South Africa cleaner with more sustainability in solar and green hydrogen, and who want to create more jobs in South Africa with the export of green hydrogen to the world. And we, from RDM, we don't want to talk, we want to do it. And we want to launch it, and we want to start today on the 22nd of September here in Pretoria with you together.